so 5th of December, and we got a new table, and I am the first member to use it. Good lord. Also, I'm probably the first member to fly here since the flooding. It was only declared in use again yesterday, so we'll see. A little bit rusty, it's a little bit cold. Yeah, right in the wrong direction, eh? Straight across the strip. Mr. Bixler's not really very fussy about that, so yeah, I don't want to go that way, so I'll probably go that way. Oh, it certainly is windy up there. Probably could do with that battery being a tiny bit further forward. I don't know. Wow, that's decided. That wind's strong. The wind is strong with you. There's a real one. Yeah. Ah, just a minute there. I didn't know which way you were going. The grey sky grey model. Yeah, that's a good plan. Yeah, I think it probably could do with being just a smudgy little bit further forward, but I probably won't bother. You can tell. Go up. Oh yeah. Ooh. Good day for slope touring. Go to slope tour. I brought my gloves too. Yeah, that's probably the worst wind direction for a strong wind at the strip. It's across the strip. And quite strong. I mean, not so much down at ground level, but across the tree tops, the tree tops, it certainly is. And I'm fighting to keep that sort of into wind there. I like the Bixler. Wow. Do a stabilizer today. Yes, it doesn't have one, only me. Actually, I'm not sure I have a stabiliser off the time. I'm really glad I brought a flask of coffee too. Well, we nearly didn't make it today. It was incredibly foggy this morning, and actually first thing this morning it was incredibly sunny and cold, and then it fogged out. And it's taken until the wind picked up, really, so probably about an hour ago, for it to clear. It's probably clearer down here than it was where I live, but like everything else. So we had the strip declared open, the model selected, the batteries charged, the BMFA insurance paid up, and the new RCC passed, so that I can fly my model aeroplanes, not my drones, because I don't have them. Well, I do have some, but they're in bits. Because I'm not really very interested in them. So I'm legal. I'm carrying 4 bits of paper now because of the legal requirements. The BMFA insurance, the RCC, the drone test, as it were, and the exemptions, 2 times pieces of paper. So that's great, just so I can fly my little foamy model aeroplane, which I'm not going to go invading people's privacy with at my airfield, which I pay good money for. So it's kind of a rant, but hey, it's good in some ways, bad in others. Cold on your fingers. Plus 5 degrees, 10-15 knots of wind. Yeah, good job I put my jacket on. I bought 4 models, but I don't know whether I'll be flying them all because this wind is pretty brutal. Wobbly. So it's a privilege, haha. I was coming flying yesterday, my birthday yesterday. I won't tell you how old. But, unfortunately, circumstances conspired. People wanting to come and see me and take me out for coffee and cakes and that sort of stuff to stop me, which was a shame because yesterday was a somewhat better day from the point of view of the wind. Well, it's 8 minutes, probably get longer really. Don't spoil it now. The landing's going to be the interesting bit. Just need a lot of power to get somewhere. Ooh, I got caught by a good one then. Woohoo! You are nearly. Woo, that is cold. It's blown my brain cell out in the head. Not much to start with. Woo. Yeah, that's a tricky wind, that, to say the least. A tricky wind.